Good morning, look at my hair. Happy Christmas Eve. I am officially the only person left to wrap anything in the house. Last night, all of Ruben's stuff got wrapped, and then I went to bed a little after 11, and John stayed up till almost 1 o'clock, I think, wrapping mine. He did admit he took a break and watched Netflix, so he's head wrapper in our house. But yeah, everything apart from the couple of bits that I need to wrap for John is all done. Plan of attack today, I don't have to. Plan of attack today is tidy as much as you can when the 3-year-old pulls out everything. I've got to cook the gammon, mince pies, sausage rolls, decorate the cake, which is technically our Christmas cake, but it's a carrot cake. We are popping into Truro because the card we ordered for John's mum and dad hasn't come, so we need to go and buy them a Christmas card on Christmas Eve. And try and have a nice day, but get everything ready for tomorrow. At some point I'm going to have to do something with this. I have already placed the boots online order because the sale starts online today but in store on Boxing Day or something. And I was very restrained. Literally I ordered, hang on, Ruben's getting a bit bouncy. Ruben is very excited this morning. I ordered myself some Sanctuary Spa bits because I love it, but I also ordered the candle. I love the Sanctuary Spa candles. I just won't pay full price for them. And then I ordered some tops and Ruben from the mother care sale because neither of the boots that are near us really stock clothing, and some of it is super cute, and when it's half price you gotta strike. So yeah, apparently that will come by the 1st of January, but that's fine. Right, John is still in bed because he stayed up late, but yeah, let's get this gammon in and try and make the house festive as possible. Christmas Eve!
Christmas Eve!
Who's coming today?
Santa!
Santa, have you been a good boy?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Ruben. Hey, I love you.
Mommy.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas, too. Merry Christmas, too.
Hello. Alright, you're you. Happy Christmas Eve. Mr. Beach, Baby Beach is back there in his Christmas hat. This may be an epic fail, it may be a genius move, but we are going to Truro on Christmas Eve. Ideally we need what? 2 things. We need a Christmas card and we need gift bag. Could really do with some sellotape as well. And we need to pick up milk on the way back. But everything else there, you know, I'd really like a Starbucks. But it's just about having a little Luke and
need a special Christmas card. That's what it's about.
John needs a special Christmas card. Yeah, we're hoping in the world of Amazon Prime and all of that it won't be crazy full of chaps doing all of their last minute shopping, but it probably will. But yeah, we're gonna have a little mooch around Truro. And like that, we are done in Truro, and it is 11:40, and we're already in the car heading out. Really successful, would you not say?
Yeah.
Got everything we wanted.
And a little bit more.
And a little bit more.
Had a coffee.
Had a coffee, had a cake. Well, I had a croissant.
I had a cinnamon swirl.
And yeah, when we got there, easy parking, everything was great. As we were coming out, it was starting to get a little bit crazy. A lot of men shopping.
A lot of groups of people meeting up for lunch and beers by the looks of it.
Yeah, it was getting busy, so we timed that really well.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to see if I can find some brass band Christmas music to listen to on the way home, and we have to stop and buy milk. And we're home. Ruben had a little nap, but he's up now and it's time for some lunch. He's got a sausage roll, John's got a wrap, and I've got a chicken and mushroom slice.
Let's have a look. Oh, Daddy needs them. You put that down. No, good boy, but that's not how it works, mate.
Are you first?
No, it's Daddy's turn.
Daddy, you go.
No.
Princess.
How does it go?
How does the song go?
Step for the Christmas. And the Christmas.
Step into Christmas.
Step for the Christmas.
He was singing it a minute ago.
Step for the Christmas. Step for the Christmas. Step for the Christmas. Step for the Christmas. Step. Step for the Christmas.
You follow?
Yes.
Hello. So, gammon is out the slow cooker. It's rather nice. It's on the side resting.
Look, this one.
These guys are doing jigsaw puzzles, and I'm going to make an attempt at doing meat pies, or meat patties is what I think my dad used to call them. That's what I'm making. Hello. So, Ruben bathed. He really actually liked that Sleepy Bear from Lush. Wasn't sure it would do much. I didn't expect the of purple, but he liked it. We had the Night Before Christmas story, and he is asleep. Don't know how long he's going to stay asleep, but he's asleep. John put together that pizza thing toy, and I took about 1,000 years to wrap four presents. But I think officially everything is wrapped. The plan was to have steak and triple cooked chips for tea tonight, which is tradition in my family. And I bought all the stuff, and I just can't be arsed. So we're having microwave paella from Waitrose. Easy life. And then we've got to put out all the stuff that makes it magic for tomorrow. Father Christmas has been. It's gone midnight.